Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started, tap OK and click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Tap OK again, click Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here, pick the theme that you like the best, for example that one, and tap on it. Now close the nut. And tap on Download theme. When I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!